So let's continue with the third question. Critically examine the utility of ordinance making power in parliamentary democracy. So, our constitution makers have provided ordinance making power to the executive in order to handle the critical situations which needs immediate actions. Ordinance is a temporary law which can be issued in emergency situations without the interference of the parliament or a state legislature. In our constitution, the ordinance making power is provided under Article 123 and 213 of the constitution. Now, coming to the importance of ordinance making power, the ordinance making power is necessary to tackle the situations that demands immediate action. It is also used as an extraordinary power that is used as a last resort. Many times, ordinary ordinance is misused by the government, and there are some examples regarding the utility of ordinance. They are in Krishna Kumar Singh versus State of Bihar, the Supreme Court held that the failure to place the ordinance before the legislature constitutes abuse of power and a fraud. Next is at some instance, at some cases, ordinance are used by the government to pass legislation which is pending in the parliament. It was done in the case of food security ordinance. In DC Bhadwa versus State of Bihar case of 1987, the court held that the legislative power of the executive to promulgate ordinances is to be used in exceptional circumstances only. In R.C. Cooper versus Union of India case of 1970, the apex court, that is the Supreme Court, held that President's decision could be challenged on the grounds that immediate action was not required and the ordinance has been passed to bypass the debate and discussion in the legislature. Thus, in most of the cases, the ordinance making power has been overused, and this extreme power can turn against the principle of separation of powers and can uphold the democratic values which are the heart and soul of the constitution.